In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find YouTube music artist Earl. Go ahead and open the YouTube Music app on your device. If you are on a phone or tablet, tap the red and white YouTube Music icon, usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, you should see the Home tab with suggestions like mixes, recent listens, and recommended artists. If you are using YouTube Music in a browser, make sure you are on the YouTube Music site, not the regular YouTube website, so the layout matches what you see here. Once YouTube Music is open, you are ready to look up the artist. In the top area, tap the search icon, the small magnifying glass. A search bar will appear at the top with your keyboard open. Type the name of the artist you need the link for, and wait a moment for results to load under the bar. You will usually see sections like Top Result, Songs, Albums, and Artists. Find the row or section labeled Artists. Then tap on the artist name or profile picture there to open their main artist page. When you do this, the screen changes to show their header image, their name at the top, and sections like Songs, Albums, and Videos. That confirms you are on the main artist page, not on a single song. With the artist page open, you can now bring up the menu that lets you share it. Look near the top of the screen by the artist name for the three-dot menu icon. On some devices, this menu might be next to a share icon. Tap the three dots once to open the pop-up menu. A small menu will slide up or drop down, usually from the bottom or the top right, depending on your device. In that list, look for the option labeled Share. It often sits alongside options like Start Radio or Add to Library. Tap Share to open the sharing panel for this artist page. When you tap it, you should see a new panel with sharing choices appear over the current screen. After the share panel opens, you will see several ways to send the artist link, such as messaging apps or email. For this method, find the option labeled Copy or Copy to Clipboard. Tap Copy one time. As soon as you tap it, YouTube Music copies the full artist page URL into your device clipboard, even though you might only see a very quick confirmation message. You will not see the link itself here, but it is stored and ready. Now you can move to any app where you want the URL, such as a Notes app, a message, or a browser. Tap into a text field there, use Paste, and the artist link from YouTube Music will appear. That pasted text is the YouTube Music artist URL you just grabbed. So in a few quick moves, you opened YouTube Music, went to the artist page, and copied the exact artist URL. If this helped you grab the right artist link, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.